Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I'm here to solve this question. Cot square theta plus 3 by sine theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the general solution of this equation. Here we have to find the value of theta, where the theta lies. So first, from the equation above, we will convert this cot theta into cos and sine theta. That is, cot of theta is equal to cos of theta divided by sine of theta from the trigonometric formulas. Now substituting the values in the equation, we get cos theta divided by sine theta bracket square, as this is square of cot theta, plus 3 by sine theta plus 3 is equal to 0. This 3. Now cos square theta divided by sine square theta plus 3 into sine theta divided by sine square theta. Here we are multiplied by sine theta and divided by sine theta, so we can take common out sine square theta, and here we are multiplying with sine square theta divided by sine square theta is equal to 0. Now taking common, cos square theta plus 3 sine theta plus 3 sine square theta into 1 upon sine square theta, that will be equal to 0. Now this sine square theta will go on this side and multiplied by 0, so there will be 0 only. So now cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta from the trigonometric identity number 1 plus 3 sine theta plus 3 sine square theta. Here this is in complete bracket, as this 1 upon sine square theta is completely multiplying this equation. Now here minus sine and plus sine square theta will get cancelled, so we'll be getting 1 plus 2 sine square theta, as 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus sine of theta is equal to 0. So we finally get equation sine square theta 2 sine square theta plus 3 sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll be splitting this equation and we get 2 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta plus sine of theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now by taking common factors outside, so 2 sine theta is common from this, so we get sine of theta plus 1 plus 1 is common from this both side, so we'll take common out and inside it will be 1 into sine theta plus 1, that will be equal to 0. Now we will be getting 2 sine theta plus 1 in one bracket and another bracket sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0 in another bracket. Now separately solving this equation, we get sine of theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 for this first one, and for the second sine of theta is equal to minus 1. So theta will be equal to n pi minus of 1 raised to n pi by 6, or theta will be equal to n pi minus of minus 1 raised to n into pi by 2, where n is equal to z, n belongs to z. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.